Plant-based meat is bad for you. Are plant-based meat a sizzling solution to our dietary dilemmas, or just another ingredient in the recipe of culinary confusion? In a world where our choices in food have a profound impact on our health, the environment, and the well-being of animals, the debate surrounding plant-based meats rages on. The rise of plant-based meat alternatives has been a significant trend in the food industry in recent years, with Beyond Burger being one of the most prominent brands. While many people view these alternatives as a healthier and more environmentally friendly choice, there is a growing debate about whether plant-based meat is truly a healthier option compared to traditional animal-based meat. Tune in to find out some of the truths behind plant-based meat. Ever found yourself wondering if there's a way to have your steak and eat it too, all while saving the planet and your health? That's where the plant-based meat movement strides onto the scene, bringing with it a sizzle of excitement and a side of controversy. The plant-based meat movement gained momentum due to concerns about the environmental impact of the meat industry and health-related issues associated with consuming red meat. Plant-based meat alternatives are typically made from ingredients like pea protein, soy, and various plant-based fats, and they aim to replicate the taste, texture, and nutritional profile of animal-based meat products. Plant-based meat products, in their quest to replicate the sensory experience of traditional meats, often undergo substantial processing and utilize a range of additives. To achieve this, plant-based meat manufacturers commonly employ a variety of additives. Flavor enhancers, such as yeast extract and mushroom extracts, are used to provide that savory umami flavor characteristic of meat. These ingredients play a pivotal role in making plant-based meats palatable and enjoyable for consumers. In addition to flavor, texture is a key factor in the success of plant-based meat products. Thickeners and binders, like methylcellulose and konjac gum, are used to improve texture and binding properties, giving plant-based meats the desired consistency. These components are crucial in creating a product that mirrors the mouthfeel of traditional meat. Furthermore, the shelf life of plant-based meats is an important consideration for manufacturers. Preservatives are often included to enhance the product's durability and ensure it remains safe for consumption. This not only prevents food waste, but also facilitates wider distribution and availability for consumers. Color plays a significant role in the presentation of these meat alternatives. Beet juice extract and annatto are utilized to give plant-based meats the appetizing red or yellow hues of traditional meats, enhancing their visual appeal. While these additives contribute to the culinary appeal of plant-based meats, critics raise valid concerns regarding the health implications. Excessive use of processed ingredients, saturated fats, sodium, and other additives can potentially pose health risks. Hexane is a volatile organic compound commonly used in various food processing methods, including the production of some plant-based meat products. Its primary role is to extract oils from crops like soybeans, which are often used in the formulation of these meat alternatives. While hexane is deemed safe in small quantities by regulatory authorities, concerns have been raised about its potential health risks, particularly in the context of plant-based meat production. The concern surrounding hexane in plant-based meat processing is rooted in its potential hazards. Hexane is a neurotoxic substance, which means that prolonged exposure or high levels of inhalation can have adverse effects on the nervous system. Symptoms of hexane exposure may include headaches, dizziness, and even more severe neurological issues. The hexane used in food processing is typically considered food grade, and residual levels in the final products are generally within regulatory limits. However, there are concerns about potential health risks, especially for those who consume plant-based meat products regularly or in large quantities. Another ingredient being used is red dye 3, also known as erythrocene, is a synthetic red food dye commonly used in various food and beverage products to achieve vibrant red or pink coloring. However, erythrocene's safety and potential health implications have stirred debates and concerns, similar to those surrounding other food additives. One of the primary areas of contention involves the health risks associated with erythrocene. Studies have suggested potential links between the consumption of this food dye and health issues, such as allergies and hyperactivity in children. These concerns have led to calls from advocacy groups and health-conscious consumers for more rigorous regulations, and in some cases, outright bans on its use in food products. The approval of erythrocene for use in food items varies by country and food safety agency. Critics contend that the existing standards and regulations might not sufficiently address potential long-term health consequences linked to the consumption of erythrocene. Tertiary butyl hydroquinone, or TBHQ, is a synthetic antioxidant that is often used in the food industry as a preservative. Its primary function is to extend the shelf life of processed foods by preventing oxidation and spoilage. TBHQ is a white crystalline powder with a faint aromatic odor and is generally recognized as safe GRAS when used in small quantities. It is used to maintain the freshness and quality of a wide range of products, including snack foods, baked goods, cooking oils, and various fast food items. However, concerns have been raised about the safety of TBHQ when consumed in excessive amounts, as it may lead to potential health issues. Some people are sensitive to TBHQ and may experience adverse reactions, including skin conditions or respiratory problems. Beyond Burger, created by Beyond Meat, has emerged as a prominent player in the plant-based meat industry. Its popularity can be attributed to its remarkable similarity to traditional meat in terms of appearance, taste, and texture. Beyond Burger is crafted primarily from plant-based ingredients, with a focus on pea protein isolate, expeller-pressed canola oil, and coconut oil, alongside several other components to achieve its meaty characteristics. Comparatively, the Beyond Meat Burger boasts 18 ingredients, and the Impossible Burger includes 21. Both are heavily processed and infused with numerous additives and potentially inflammatory oils. Despite the similar protein content shared between traditional meat and plant-based burgers, there exists a distinction in the quality and bioavailability of the protein. Furthermore, both burgers encompass various additives, many of which harbor unknown implications for long-term health. Beyond the realm of protein, the Beyond Meat patty offers minimal nutritional value. One glance at the Beyond Burger ingredient list showcases a mixture of pea protein isolate, methylcellulose, natural flavors, and a vitamin and mineral blend. On the surface, this may seem like a wholesome blend, but let's delve deeper. Pea protein isolate, the primary protein source, is indeed a complete protein, containing all essential amino acids. But it's the other ingredients that raise eyebrows. Methylcellulose, used as a thickening agent, has a lesser-known side effect. It can act as a laxative at low doses. Natural flavors, an innocuous-sounding ingredient, is more contentious than it appears. Studies have indicated that some natural flavor compounds can potentially be toxic. The remaining vitamin and mineral blend may sound like a healthy inclusion, but health-conscious consumers often advocate for obtaining these nutrients from whole foods rather than processed products. Even user experiences reveal a divide. Reviews vary from those who love the taste to those who detest it, with some likening it to bioengineered garbage. So, is the Beyond Burger healthy? While it may have its merits in terms of environmental and ethical considerations, it falls short in terms of being a healthy food. The presence of processed additives, questionable natural flavors, and the minimal nutritional value it offers make it a less than ideal choice for those seeking a truly healthy diet. When evaluating its healthiness, it's essential to remember that the truest path to health and wellness often lies in minimizing the level of processing in one's diet and opting for whole, unprocessed foods. As we wrap up our exploration of the plant-based meat controversy, one thing becomes clear. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Beyond Burger, like other plant-based meat alternatives, offers a unique blend of promises and pitfalls, leaving it up to each of us to decide whether it's a sizzling sensation or just a flash in the pan. Our culinary landscape is evolving, and with it, the options on our plates. It's a delicious journey, one where personal choices meet global impacts, and where, ultimately, we all play a part in shaping the future of our food. Bon appetit! If you enjoyed this content, subscribe for more, and let us know what you think in the comments below.